What's up, everybody? Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. I want to go over three trades, three stocks that are working right now. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, stop what you're doing. Go subscribe right now. My objective is just to put actionable content in front of you. So please subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when we get new videos. Okay, so what's working right now? I've been trading for 22 years, guys. Common sense. What do we think would be working right now? Ventilators. There's a worldwide shortage of ventilators. So we suggested three different ventilator names. On March 16th, RMD, I shared with my coaching clients. On March 18th, we shared MDT, Medtronic. And then on March 22nd, we shared PHG. Three ventilator companies. Again, common sense. What's going to be working now? Ventilators, stay-at-home companies, stay out of those traps. So now I just want to show you as much proof as possible. I know everybody's skeptical. Here's my personal account, Medtronic MDT. Here's what I did. I went out to May. I bought the 80s. I bought the 80s for $370. So I have $3,700 of risk. To manage this trade, I was able to sell the 90s for $370. You guessed it. So now I have zero risk because I bought and then I sold. Think of this as being long 1,000 shares from 80 and short 1,000 shares from 90. The max gain is $10,000 less whatever my original investment was. My original investment was $3,700, but we covered that through the sale of these calls right here. So my risk is $0. My reward is $10,000. Right now you can see we're marked up about $7,000. That's the MDT trade. RMD is going to be next. RMD was a little tougher because it didn't really have the liquidity. You can see these markets are really wide. It's also expensive stock. So instead of doing a 10 lot, I was just doing a 2 lot. This guy gave us a few gray hairs because we got in right around here. It dropped, came right back. What I did, I started off just by buying two. I bought two of the 140 calls for $3.80. I'm long two of the 145s for $7.30. I am holding on to RMD. 17 days left till expiration. I believe RMD is going much higher. It's kind of tough to do a trade though because the options markets are pretty wide. So you really have to know how to value options to be confident to put a good bid in there. So I would stay away from RMD right now. The other trade that we shared with the membership, I share 8 to 12 trades every single Sunday and a live class Monday, was PHG. This is our third ventilator maker. We were buying the 35 calls for $1.70. I didn't do this trade. I have two of the ventilator trades. No real reason to do three of the exact same trade. Probably don't need to do two, but I was pretty confident in this trade, so I didn't mind the risk. That's what I got, guys. Three trades that are working right now. Use common sense. Make sure you're investing in areas where there's phenomenal demand. Congrats to all the members who hit those trades. Appreciate you watching the video. My name is Jonathan Rose. I'm the owner of Masters in Trading.